Nespresso introduces the VertuoPlus coffee machine using Centrifusion technology to create the ultimate brewing experience. Just insert a capsule and close the lever. When activated, the machine reads the barcode on the capsule, then spins up to 7,000 rotations per minute, blending ground coffee with water and producing the perfect crema to enjoy quality coffee in a larger cup. The versatile machine delivers the optimal in-cup result in 5 cup sizes: Alto, mug, Gran Lungo, medium for Gran Lungo and double espresso, and a small one for espresso, all at the touch of a button. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Versatile automatic coffee maker. VertuoPlus makes both coffee and espresso in a variety of sizes: 5 ounces and 8 ounces coffees, and a single and double espresso. Pour over ice to create your favorite iced coffee drinks. Number 2. Smart coffee maker. Brew the perfect single-serve coffee or espresso drink time after time, thanks to Nespresso's Centrifusion technology using barcodes to deliver the best in-cup results, including the perfect crema for large coffee cup sizes. Number 3. Single-serve coffee machine. Have the ability to create barista-grade brewed single-serve coffee or espresso cups at the touch of a single button. Designed for use with Nespresso Vertuo capsules only. Number 4. Features: large 40-ounce water tank and a 17-count used capsule container. This machine also has a fast heat-up time of only 15 seconds. There is an energy-saving automatic shut-off at 9 minutes of inactivity. Number 5. Aerochino milk frother included. The Nespresso Aerochino 3 provides smooth hot or cold milk froth for your coffee recipes with one touch. It froths all types of milk in a few seconds, without noise or vibration, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.